Well, today on Firebird Friday, we're putting in the rear window in the 67 Firebird and all by myself. But there's more to it than that. You'll have to watch the very end to see what that little thing is. So with that, I'm going to shut it down, get the snap into a Slim Jim, and let's put a damn window in this car. Let's go. All right, so this is the original glass from this car, and I'm just taking a razor blade and I'm going around and just taking off all the loose sticky stuff, that burl tape, just cleaning it up. Take a razor blade and just go along the edge and just clean up what you can. All right, now I'm going to flip it over to its back side. Of course, this is going to be the side that has the most need for scraping. Let me see if I have one of my other scrapers. All right, so got me my little tool here. I knew I had a razor blade tool. Fresh blade on it. All right, much better. All right, new blade, some Windex just to kind of go over this one more time here. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it might take 2 or 3 of these to... that one's done. I'm gonna try one of these microfiber towels. Try one of these now. Okay, let's see if we can't just do a initial install. So curves go at the top, corners square 90 degrees at the bottom, which means I have this glass backwards. Oh, and I did a piss poor job of cleaning this glass, but oh well. Let's just see what we got here. I'm gonna grab my pads. So you can get these, put a link down below. They work pretty good. Kind of get them into place here. About like so. Clamp it down. I'll put the other one on. Like that. Now, if you watched our video on doing the front one, you'll know these work really well. So now we can kind of just see where we're at here. That there looks to be, it looks to be about maybe a 1/4 inch all the way around. And when I mean 1/4 inch, I mean how much of the red, the metal is showing through. And that's where this is gonna tack up to. And same here. Maybe more like that. And I know these corners are notorious for leaking, so I want to make sure that I get plenty of stuff there. Okay. Now, where's that window seal at? So here's how these window seals come. One for the front, one for the back. They'll have the little blocks. And they're supposed to have the blocks in there. There they are. There's those 2 blocks. So the blocks basically help keep the window up. See, right now it's riding on the trim tabs. So I'm going to go about right here, set one in. Yep, that's what you want right there. And about right there, just sit it down in there. Okay. Kind of checking our gaps. Just making sure we have even gaps everywhere. Good. All right. So now the window comes back out and we lay down some of this. All right. Got my thing there. Pull this up and out. Go like that. Walk that down. Okay. So we're going to take our roll and we're going to start at the bottom center and just work our way up and around and meet it back in the middle there. And I'm going to try to get it to where it's make that curve, kind of turn it. And again, I'm just wanting to make it go right, just a little bit in from the edge of the metal. Okay. Just keeping it going along that edge. Make that turn. Just got to convince it. There's that bottom, so we'll make that turn. That is some sticky stuff. You stay. And then I'm going just right above that block. Hey. All right, there. We're back at that that seam. Making sure it's all. All right, grab a razor blade. You just want a slight overlap, just a little. All right, you got a little bit left over. All right, now see where these two come together. Get them a little closer there if I can. Right, so here's the two pieces coming together. Just kind of squish them, make them come together like that. And then we'll pull the rest of this off. And if there's a spot where you can see, you can maneuver that a little bit better. Bring her down. Okay. Okay, I think we're ready for glass. So remind yourself you have those blocks there that kind of hold that into place. Making sure that looks good. The foot?
The car.
67 Firebird.
Oh, that's a Firebird.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
First year of production.
Oh, nice. What else? I haven't seen a Firebird in person in the last 60. You said 67?
Yeah, come on.
Holy crap. Anyways, what's your name, man?
I'm Brian.
Brian, I'm Lance. It's really
Lance,
nice to meet
what you got going for today?
Actually, I was just talking to a lot of neighbors in the area, doing some advertising for our cleaning store. It's funny, I have an appointment with another Brian.
Okay.
We actually deep clean and sanitize a full room of any style of flooring free of charge, or two pieces of furniture such as a couch, an area rug, or even a mattress.
Okay.
Only catch is we can't clean the whole damn house for free, bro.
Okay.
Unless you give me a Bud Light, I do dishes and laundry on the side.
Don't do Bud Light. I do Coors Light.
I'm cool with Coors Light. Hey man, my favorite beer is an open one that's free. As long as it's cold.
I tell you what, since you're here, grab the other side of that.
I got you.
All we're gonna do is just set this into place. You're gonna want to be about quarter inch out.
Quarter inch out.
So I'll come over here. I'll set my side. There's little rubber bumps right there. See it? Just set it on that, and then we'll push down on it. Go your way. About there. Get that bump. Let me see your side.
A little bit more over.
No, just a little bit up. Just get it on top of that right there.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, that's it. And we just let it sit.
That's how easy that is to do?
That's all it is.
Oh shit.
Not like doing a new car. And then you just set it down.
Okay. Shit.
And it does the rest. And then a chrome trim comes in, makes it flush. So cool. All right.
I have a feeling that you and me would get along really good just because the car taste, the alcohol taste, and I have a feeling you probably like rock music.
I'm into rock and in old country. Hopefully we got that on tape. And we did. All right, so we'll just push this down. Sweet. Okay. Back glass is in. Should I clean this? No, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait we're just gonna wait.